This is Matrix 2 for Mega Millions, April 21st, 2026. I always try and get something new. When I do that, I have confidence that it's something that's going to be better. So I have one example here of the past, April 17th. Okay, the numbers were 38, 43, 44, 49, 62, and 8. Here's my 45-degree angle lines. I didn't give you the whole matrix because it scares a lot of people. I believe we're going to have so many numbers. So I just submitted a lot of numbers to this, left you with my 45-degree lines. As you notice, the 45-degree lines intersect zeros. Okay, this zero here, this zero, this zero, this zero, this zero, and this one here. So our numbers were 38. This is perfect. Here's a 38. This line here intersects with it. Okay, 43. This zero connects to the 4 and the 3. Okay, 44 is also here at the line where the line intersects the zeros. 49 and 62. 49 was down here. Yeah, it's a reach, you know, but like it's supposed to be random numbers, so they're not random, but there is a pattern. To get that, I don't know. I would never get it. And 62 is up here. Okay, so that's April 17th. This is April 21st. Here's my lines. I didn't color these in. Okay, usually there's two. If a line intersects a zero, there's usually two numbers there. And there would be here 62 and 43. There would be here 44, 43. There would be here 44s everywhere. Okay. Excuse me. There would be here also 38, 49. But there would not be one here. There's no number here. Usually one number at the top. So I left them blank because, excuse me, I like to be 100%. I don't know, I'm not 90% or better. When I color these in green as being double numbers, but that one there would not have hit as a double number. That would have led you down a false trail. I don't like doing that. So I'm not going to color these in. You have to just look at it for yourself, okay? So the line intersects here. There's probably going to be two numbers there, probably at least one for sure. There'll probably be two numbers there, at least one for sure. 50% chance to be a number there, 50% chance there won't be. Okay, there should be two numbers here. Okay, one for sure here. And the outside edge zeros, I'm a little leery of, like this one here. Okay, the line almost intersects with it, but there's nothing there. The line intersects that directly. There may be something here. I mean, we have 38 over here, two of them, actually three of them, 38, 38, 38. So I don't know if that means anything or not. But where the lines intersect with zero, those are the zeros that are very important, okay? I haven't done it, but if you do a 45-degree angle line from each zero, left and right, right and left, right, left. This zero here points to this zero, so there's definitely something there. This zero here, yeah, this zero here points to this one, so there's something gonna be here, okay? And it almost points to this one. So I'm just going to leave this blank and just leave these lines here this time. Instead of giving you the red and the green and confusing the heck out of you, okay? Just for these lines, meet a zero, okay? It should be all you need. It's close to this zero here. There's something going to be here. Something going to be here. Here for sure. And because this zero is pointing at this zero at a 45-degree angle, there's probably going to be something here, okay? This is such a good matrix, and I hope that this repeats with this Matrix 2 for Mega Millions, April 21st, 2026. As always, play on paper, save your money, and just have fun, okay? And learn. Learn about these lines here, okay, and how important they are when they cross over a zero or come very close to a zero like this. This is really, really close right here, okay? There's something there for sure. I know there's something there. I know there's something here. Here for sure. Here. Not sure about this. Probably something there. Yeah, there's something there. And this zero here is going to be included. The line does not give me its importance because the zero is already there because of the ledge. But this zero is pointing at this zero at a 45-degree angle. So it's telling me there's something there. Anyway, guys, play on paper. Have fun. See you.